Every night, most of us sit under bright modern lights, never questioning what they might be doing to our health. But what if I told you that the very lights designed to illuminate our lives could be quietly draining our energy and accelerating aging? Recent research is shining a light, quite literally, on the hidden impact of modern LED bulbs. Unlike the warm glow of older incandescent bulbs, LEDs often produce a sharp spike of blue light in the 420 to 450 nanometer range. At first glance, blue light sounds harmless, it's part of the visible spectrum after all. But deep inside our cells, where mitochondria act as the powerhouses, this spike can disrupt function. Professor Glenn Jeffery, a neuroscientist at University College London, has studied this effect closely. His findings suggest that blue light overload impairs mitochondrial performance, reducing the energy our cells produce and increasing inflammation. In laboratory studies, mice exposed to prolonged LED lighting showed troubling results, signs of accelerated aging, organ stress, weight gain, and even metabolic dysfunction. This isn't just a lab phenomenon. NASA astronauts living on the International Space Station, bathed in LED light nearly 24 hours a day, have reported early symptoms of pre-diabetes and markers of premature aging. This raises urgent questions about how artificial lighting is shaping human biology in environments far beyond Earth. But there's another side to this story, one that gives hope. Dr. Jeffery's research also highlights the benefits of red light exposure, particularly at wavelengths between 670 and 850 nanometers. When cells are exposed to this range, mitochondrial function improves, glucose regulation stabilizes, and even physical performance markers like grip strength increase. Unlike blue light, red light penetrates deeply into the body, reaching mitochondria throughout different tissues, where it seems to restore balance. This isn't science fiction, it's an area of growing interest known as red light therapy. By using specific light wavelengths, researchers are exploring new ways to counteract some of the hidden risks of our LED-dominated environment. So what can you do in daily life? The solutions are simpler than you might think. Prioritize natural sunlight exposure whenever possible, it delivers a full spectrum of light that humans evolved under. Consider balancing your environment with warmer incandescent bulbs in key spaces, especially during the evening, when your body should be winding down. And stay tuned as science continues to explore how controlled red light could be used not just for therapy, but for everyday health support. Modern technology has given us incredible tools, but it has also created hidden risks we are only beginning to understand. By learning how light interacts with our cells, we may be able to reclaim healthier rhythms and even slow some of the processes of aging. In the end, light is not just what lets us see the world, it shapes our biology in ways we are only starting to uncover.